Let's dive into one of the most crucial aspects of running a successful online business, which is handling customer complaints effectively. We'll discuss why good customer services is paramount, common complaints you might encounter, and share some engaging tips on how to handle them like a pro. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why good customer service is a cornerstone of any successful e-commerce venture. In the online world, your customers can't physically touch or see your products before buying them, so they rely on your website and your word. Hence, providing top-notch customer service is your golden ticket to building trust and loyalty. Common customer complaints in e-commerce are the hurdles you must overcome to keep your customers satisfied. So some of these includes late deliveries, damaged products, wrong items shipped, or even issues with your website. So don't worry, even complaints is an opportunity for improvement. So don't stress yourself too much when you get a complaint. The first step in handling complaints is to empathize with your customers, understand their frustration, and actively listen to their concerns. So this shows that you care about their experience. So the next thing is promptness is key. So respond to complaints as quickly as possible. Customers appreciate a speedy resolution to their issues, so don't wait around to resolve it. And offer solutions, so always provide practical solutions. If a product is damaged, offer a replacement or a refund. If a delivery is delayed, communicate a new delivery estimate. Don't just leave them hanging. Make sure you're offering them a solution. Transparency is your friend. If you made a mistake, admit it. Honesty goes a long way in building trust, so make sure you're always transparent. So make sure you always exercise this. After resolving the issue, don't forget to follow up with your customers. Ask if they are satisfied with your resolutions that you've provided. So this extra steps shows that you value their feedback. Just assume that you have solved everything. Follow up with them to make sure that they're satisfied with the solution that you have given them, or the way you have resolved the issue. So here is a little secret to take your customer service to the next level, is to surprise them and delight them. Send a small gift or a discount code as a gesture of goodwill. Your customers will remember the extra effort that you have put in. So it's good to add that little surprise for them. So there you have it. Handling customer complaints in e-commerce is all about empathy, quick response, practical solutions, transparency, and that extra sprinkle of surprise and delight. So mastering this, you will not only resolve issues but also create loyal customers who will stick with your brand for the long haul. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.